So hello class, welcome back into another new video of your sound chapter. So we have discussed many concepts in our last class, and in today's class we will deal about some other concepts like characteristics. So our chapter name is sound, and today we will deal about characteristics. Of vibrations. In last class we have already discussed about what is vibration, the definition of vibration, and other concepts as well. So in today's class we will deal about the vibrations, characteristics, and so vibration has some, just write down, every vibrating body, every vibrating body or particle has three characteristics. They have actually three characteristics. We will discuss it one by one. Three characteristics. So number one is amplitude. You are getting you can say you are getting conscious that what is amplitude. Then I will define it one by one. Just write down first of all the three characteristics. The number one is amplitude, number two is time period, and number three is frequency. These are three characteristics of vibration, or you can say a vibrating body. So I will discuss it one by one. Note this one. So first of all, let's discuss about amplitude. What is amplitude? So write down maximum displacement sorry, not displacement, it should be distance. Maximum distance from mean position, maximum distance from mean position is called amplitude. So if anything is vibrating, then you can just notice this thing, that it vibrates like this, okay. So this maximum displacement from here, distance from here to here, this is called amplitude A. So this is amplitude. Now coming forward to the, or you can also okay, let's coming forward to the next point, which is time period. Time period. So what is time period? So write down, then I will explain it. Time taken to complete one oscillation is called time period. So the time taken to complete one oscillation, that is time period. So what is one oscillation? So when it comes to one oscillation, then this is, I'm explaining here. So this complete from here and back here, okay, from here it goes and coming back here, this is one oscillation. So time taken in this one oscillation, this is called time period. Note this one. Now the next characteristics is frequency. So what is frequency? So frequency is nothing but speed of oscillation, okay, it is speed of oscillation. You can also call it speed of oscillation or rate of oscillation. Rate of oscillation is a better word. Rate of oscillation. So write the definition. Number of oscillations per second is called frequency. So number of oscillations per second, that is called frequency. Very easy. So this was also an easy one. So we write frequency as n by t. N means number of oscillation, t means time, and its unit is hertz. Its unit is hertz. So this is the unit of frequency. Note this one, then we will move forward to the characteristics of sound. So, coming forward to the next topic, which is characteristics of sound. So, what are the characteristics of sound? We will discuss here. So, sound has three characteristics as well. So number one is loudness, number two is pitch, and number three is quality. Just write this one, I will discuss it one by one. So let's discuss about, first of all, loudness. So what is loudness? So write down, loudness means how strongly a sound hits over the eardrums. So how strongly that hits your eardrums, that is called loudness. If you are near to a sound source, then that will hit louder. Like if you are going near to your television, then that it will go loud, and if you go far from that, then it will hit not that strongly. Okay, so that is called loudness of sound. कितने strongly वो आपके ear drums को hit कर रहा है, that is called loudness of sound. Also write, it depends upon amplitude. It depends upon amplitude of vibration. And it depends upon amplitude of vibration means if the amplitude is higher, then loudness will be higher, it will hit your eardrum more strongly. More amplitude, more strongly it will hit your eardrums. That's my point. Note this one. Then we will deal about pitch and then quality. So number 2 is pitch. What is pitch of sound? So let's discuss about it. What is pitch? So write down. It is a characteristic of sound. It is a characteristic of sound which enables us to differentiate between sharp and dull sound. So it is a characteristics in which we actually judge that either the sound is sharp or it is dull. Okay, so when the sharp sound will be there, then graph of sound will be like this, and if the sound is dull, then graph of sound will be like this. Okay, so sharpness, we judge the sharpness by the characteristics of pitch. Okay, तो ये वो क्वालिटी है जिससे हम शार्पनेस और डलनेस ऑफ साउंड को जज करते हैं. दैट्स आवर पॉइंट. नोट दिस थिंग. इट डिपेंड्स upon the frequency. If the frequency is high, then sound will be sharper. Frequency will be low, then sound will be like this, dull. So coming forward to the last point, which is quality. So what is quality of sound? So quality is also called as timbre of sound. So write about this. Quality is a characteristics which enables us to differentiate between musical notes emitted by different instruments instruments. So quality actually tells us that by which instrument it comes out. So quality actually discuss about that. So quality of sound tells us that which type of instrument it is coming from. Okay, so this is called quality of sound. Thank you class. We will discuss the rest of the part in our next class. Thank you.